In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Fortinet. Ensuring that your Fortinet configurations are backed up is essential for maintaining network security and reliability. Backing up allows you to restore your settings in the event of a system failure or data loss. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Fortinet website. This is where all the magic happens, so open your web browser and head over there. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in to your Fortinet account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. But assuming you already have one, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account, look at the bottom left corner of your menu bar. Here, you'll find the document library. This section is crucial as it houses all the documents you'll need for backing up your configurations. Click on Document Library to get started. With the document library open, the next thing you'll want to do is use the search bar. Type in FortiGate FortiOS and hit Enter. This search will lead you to the necessary resources for your Fortinet backup process. Once the search results appear, click on the FortiGate FortiOS link. After selecting FortiGate FortiOS, you'll be directed to a page with various guides and documents. Here, look for and click on the Administration Guide. This guide is your roadmap for navigating through the backup process with detailed instructions. Within the Administration Guide, locate and click on the System section. This is where you'll manage your configuration settings, including backups. Once in the System section, find the option for Configuration Backups and Reset. Clicking this will bring you to the specific tools you need for backing up your configurations. Finally, you'll want to click on Backing Up and Restoring Configurations from the GUI. This section contains all the steps and options for creating and restoring backups. Carefully follow the instructions provided to ensure your configurations are backed up correctly. And there you have it. You now have a clear, step-by-step guide to back up your Fortinet configurations. Remember, regularly backing up your settings is a best practice that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Keeping your network secure and efficiently managed is vital, and a backup is a key component of that process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.